Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel, Gateway to Rich. Today, we all have a very interesting topic. But before that, what's the story behind it? Let's go. And my food is every time tasty. But how? Because of perfect salt, Tata salt. And that is the salt that is used everywhere in the worldwide. Tata salt. Yes. And was the one of the most purest salt that is supplied worldwide. Yes, my dear friends. So today we'll be going to discuss about Tata Group. That is India's one of the biggest and the oldest international groups in India. So while talking, founder is Jamshedji Tata, and there is a huge story of chairmen because the company is founded in 1868 and it's been 153 years to the company. There is a huge list that the chairmen were changed. But newly, Ratan Tata from 2016 has made a huge change and the Tata Group is just booming in the market in today's time just because of Ratan Tata and the other following chairmen towards the present in Chandrasekharan. Yes. So the company has the capital of 9.3 trillion market capital, that is in rupees, and the revenue has almost crossed US dollar 106 billions. So Tata Group is not only in India but worldwide is the much and much bigger groups of India. Now, moving ahead with the next thing, that is diverse sectors. There are so many sectors, and Tata is just working in so many sectors. Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Elxsi, Tata is also into steel, Tata Motors, so just like these, Tata has 29 public listed companies with the market capital of $123 billion. That is 9.3 trillion in rupees. And this was resulted on March 31st, 2020. Yes, my friends, there are so many sectors that Tata is diversified into. Tata is into vehicles, in chemicals, in consumer products like salt, Sampurna Atta, and many other products. We don't know that when we go for a shopping in West Side. Yes, West Side is one of the Tata's company. Tata Power is there. Tata has its hotels, Vistara Airlines, Communications, Tata Sky, Tata Investments. So Tata is diversified in many sectors. What products and services we use, because there are many products that we use in daily life, और जितना अच्छे से हमें कोई भी product use करके ये पता चलता है कि yes, the product is good, the customer is good with this product, satisfied with the product. We cannot judge just by seeing a बहुत सारे लोग जो फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड से नहीं है उन लोगों को ये नहीं समझ में आता कि शेयर कैसे देखना है, बैलेंस शीट कैसे देखनी है, बट हर नॉर्मल इंसान को, इवन हमारे मम्मा पापा जो बहुत ज़्यादा एजुकेटेड फैमिली से बिलोंग नहीं करते, इवन फॉर देम ऑल्सो ये जज करना बहुत ईजी है कि हम कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं, एंड इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट, आर वी satisfied with the product or not? Is the product good? Is the taste good? Is the soap good? Is the shampoo good? So all these things are very easy to judge. बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड, मैं डायरेक्टली फाइनेंशियल जंप्स पर नहीं आना चाहती, जस्ट लाइक बैलेंस शीट और बाकी यूट्यूब चैनल्स पे जैसे बताते हैं कि एनएससी पर कैसा शेयर है, कितना उसका प्राइस है. आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू जंप ऑन दिस. आई वांट यू पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हम डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं और कैसे हम उन्हीं प्रोडक्ट्स में इन्वेस्ट करके वी कैन अर्न मच गुड रिटर्न्स. Just moving on, products and services. Tata is diversified with consumer products. We use Tata tea. Everyone has Tata tea in their home. Yes, even we have it. So, yes, Tata salt, Tata Sampurna Atta. So, all these are the products that we use. Then when we go to Titan for a Titan watch or Tanishq for gold, हर किसी के body is using gold, and Tanishq is one of the huge brands of gold and diamonds. मूविंग अहेड, जैगुआर और बहुत सी ऐसे ट्रक्स एंड कार्स हैं जो मार्केट में यूज हो रही है एंड पीपल आर यूजिंग एंड आर सेटिस्फाइड विद टाटा's मोटर्स. Moving ahead, Tata Consultancy Services, one of the biggest IT services in India and outside India. Moving ahead, Tata Sky. Almost तो नहीं बोलूंगी बट yes, टाटा स्काई इज वन ऑफ द ब्रांड जो बहुतों के घर में लगा हुआ है. मूविंग अहेड, वेस्ट साइड, स्टार बाजार. वी डू शॉपिंग जस्ट लाइक डी मार्ट. स्टार बाजार भी एक सुपरमार्केट की तरह यूज होता है. लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, टाटा स्टील. Tata is into steels and chemicals also. Products that we use in our daily life. इन इतनी सारी diversified products में से कुछ products definitely ऐसे हैं जो हम अपनी daily life में use करते हैं या कभी ना कभी we have shopped with these products. So at least हमें यहाँ से पता चलता है कि how diversified Tata is in their products और कितने सारे products we use and we are satisfied with the products. Now we'll see that what Tata's share is exactly. So one of the biggest companies of Tata is TCS with a huge market capital. So TCS के Tata के जितने भी shares है, TCS is the one of the most huge market capital. अगर हम मैक्स के चार्ट पर आएंगे तो विल सी दैट मैक्स चार्ट इज ग्रोइंग एंड ग्रोइंग विद अ वेरी ह्यूज परसेंटेज. 2000% के रिटर्न्स, 2400 के returns are very good returns. So this is a growing vision of. So for 5 years also, if we invest in TCS जैसा share, not only from share market but from mutual funds also, अगर हम TCS जैसे share में अपना money invest करते हैं तो we can get a very good return. See, 154% of returns, which is very good. So by this we can get analysis of the chart of the share. बट अभी और चीजें देखनी है तो हाउ वी कैन सी. सो मनी कंट्रोल, screener.com, दीज आर दी वेबसाइट्स जहां से हम बाकी चीजें भी चेक कर सकते हैं. बट फॉर नाउ हम एनएससी की वेबसाइट पर आएंगे और चेक करेंगे टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज. यहाँ पर सर्च बार है जिसमें हम लिख करके किसी भी शेयर का नाम वी कैन चेक आर शेयर. सो TCS 3100 was its highest और अभी रिसेंटली TCS ने अपना हाईएस्ट अचीव किया है. By this we can also check company information. Company information में the company is in profit and the profit is also continuously growing from quarter to quarter. ये बताता है कि how we have invested in a good company and the company is getting towards profit. Shareholding pattern is something कि promoters के पास कितने share है and promoters is keeping these shares for long term. क्योंकि अगर promoters ही कंपनी के shares रख रहे हैं, definitely the company has a growing visions because promoter is one internal person of the company. और अगर internal person is keeping these shares, that means we are safe enough to keep these shares. So 72% stake is with promoters, which is a huge amount. So these are some things that is very common sense things and we can check very easily just to know कि हमने जिसमें भी invest किया है या हम जिसमें भी invest करने वाले हैं, the company has a good vision in future also. That was all to check. अगर हमें deliveries check करनी है कि recently how many people are more purchasing these shares and investing into shares, we can check here. 28% is the delivery rate that is going right now. All right, so this was the basic information from the NSE. यहाँ पर हम और shares डाल करके और भी shares check कर सकते हैं. Just like when I type Tata, there are so many shares. Tata Elxsi, Tata Steel, Tata Communications. So there are so many shares that are there. So if I want to just go with any of the share, I'll just mention the share name and we can just type it there and we can go. Just like Tata Motors, if I type Tata Motors, it will show me Tata Motors share. See, it came. So 78 is the right now which is going. 78.90 is the price right now going, and we can see the company's information and we can check if the company is in profit or loss. So right now the company is booking losses. It is not in profit because auto sector is in a huge pressure. यहाँ से चेक करके हमें बहुत इजीली ये पता चल सकता है कि ये टाटा मोटर्स राइट नाउ इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट एंड रिस्की शेयर है और फंड टू इन्वेस्ट इन. तो म्यूचुअल फंड्स में बहुत सारे शेयर्स इकट्ठे आते हैं, बहुत सारे शेयर्स का एक कॉम्बो बन करके म्यूचुअल फंड बनता है। तो इट्स अपॉन अस कि हम कौन सा शेयर उसमें इंक्लूड करवाना चाहते हैं। इफ यू वांट जस्ट लार्ज कैप शेयर्स और स्मॉल कैप शेयर्स, सो discussing about mutual fund will take a longer time, so we'll discuss in next video कि mutual funds में कैसे invest किया जाता है and what are the good mutual funds to invest in. For that, even you can tell me in the comment section if you really want to discuss about mutual funds in details. We can go further with that. For now, these are some very common sense things that we have to check, that the promoters are also not that much active in the share. That means the share is risky right now. This is how we check for any of the shares, and everyone can check this. I am not jumping into balance sheet directly. बैलेंस शीट के लिए हम डेफिनेटली एक वीडियो बनाएंगे जिसमें हम पूरा डिस्कस करेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन एनालाइज द बैलेंस शीट, बट बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज नॉट फ्रॉम कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड, इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू चेक द बैलेंस शीट थिंग. Instead, I just want to make market and investments easy for every person who want to invest in market and earn good returns. And this is the easiest way to check कि कौन सा product हम use करते हैं and how we can judge if the product is good or bad. Last but not the least, Tata Group's future plan, because future plans देखना बहुत जरूरी है. Only then we can decide that how the company is growing their visions and how they want to grow in future. The first one is the Tata Group has decided to focus more on technologies. This is for the TCS share. So Tata has decided to go into more artificial intelligence and Tata digital platforms for new scale businesses. Second one is Tata has also decided for Tata Motors to reduce the debt from rupees 48,000 crores to zero. So in next 3 years, the chairman Chandrasekaran has told in the annual meeting to their shareholders कि वो अपना Tata Motors का जितना भी debt है, they will make it zero. With that, we will make the company as net debt-free company. Last but not the least, Tata Group chairman has also said that Tata Motors is launching new vehicles more into electric vehicles, because nowadays electric vehicles is supported by government. With Tesla doing so many modifications, Tata is not being behind and has started producing and manufacturing more into electric vehicles. These are some of the plans that has been focused by Tata Group, is now adopting the change of environment and coming up with new and new products. By this, we'll end this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates and for more group analysis. And please comment if you have any questions and I'll try to comment it back as soon as possible. Please share this video with your friends and families so that they can also invest in very good shares and can get some very good returns. For now, take care. Bye-bye. Have a great evening.